The act of drawing perfect circles is so famous now. Just look at this. Look at that. Look at this. Holy shit. There are tons of videos about this, but trust me, nothing like mine. I mean, kind of. And yesterday, while I was scrolling through Instagram, I saw a reel like this. See for yourself.
New high score, 97.2.
Well, that's a decent circle. But wait a minute. If someone can draw a circle with such an accuracy by hand, what about my algorithm that runs in the computer? Well, I did exactly what I should have. I opened my editor, grabbed some coffee, and smashed my keyboard. I coded something. It all starts the same. I import the heck I have to. Then I start off with a function. Let's name the function like move in circle, and I pass some parameters. Then I'm gonna start with an angle which is equal to 0, and beneath that I will run a while loop. I will come to the loop termination part later in the video. Within each iterations of the loop, we calculate the x and y coordinates of the point on the circle using the formulas x equals center plus radius plus cos of an angle, and y equals center plus radius plus sine of an angle. Here radius is the radius of the circle and the angle represents the current angle in radians. Well, math.cos of an angle and math.sine of an angle returns the cosine and sine of the angle respectively. These functions map the angle to the x and y coordinates of a circle. Next, we use pi or GUI to move the mouse pointer to the calculated x and y coordinates. The duration of the parameter controls the speed of the movement. A shorter duration makes the movement smoother, but a very short duration does this. After moving to a point on the circle, we increment the angle by a small value, that is 0.2 radians in our case. This increment determines the resolution of the circle. Small increments results in a smoother curves, but if we take it too small, the growth of the circle becomes too slow and it throws an error. Now, for the termination of the while loop, we will use the 2 pi radians. Once the loop completes one full rotation, that is the angle reaches 2 pi, the function releases the mouse button and exits. Now time for some math. I want the circle to be at the center of the page, so I want to calculate the middle coordinates. And I cannot keep the circle too small while drawing, or else this will happen. So a decent radius like 270 will do my work. And what else? I want a trigger. That is, I want the computer to draw a circle only when I want to, or precisely only when I will press the escape key on my keyboard. And this small piece of code will do my job. Time to test this. Well, as I've already topped the world, why not you? Find the code from the GitHub link in the descriptions, and I'm up for sponsors. Make sure that you check them out from my GitHub page once you land there, and well, rock on guys.